Today we're gonna go over the drop deck trailer measurements. We're gonna go step by step on how to measure your drop deck so you can get us the numbers and we can pre-build it, have it ready to go when you get here. The first step to measuring your step deck trailer, and make sure that the air is going into the trailer. Now we're gonna walk to the back here and make sure this is not a sliding axle, which this step deck in particular is not a sliding axle. If this is a sliding axle, you want to make sure that this axle is all the way to the rear of the trailer before you start taking numbers. All right, here we're going to measure the fifth wheel height. Our fifth wheel height is 44.5 inches. Our next step after that is we're going to get our drop height. It's really, really important that when you measure your drop height, you're going from deck to deck here. So if you have skid seats on the back here, you want to take that away. You want to go deck to deck. And I have a 21-inch deck height. All right, our next step here is we're going to measure the top deck length of the trailer. And that is 132 inches and a quarter. This pocket is gonna have to come off of here before it takes our bulkhead. So I'm going to the sill of this trailer, not the front side of this. You got this 1/4-inch pocket formed on the outside here. You don't wanna go to here. You wanna go to the sill itself. All right, our next step is we're gonna measure the length of the bottom deck. I'm gonna start my measurement on the bottom deck from the rear of the trailer, simply so I have something to hook my tape on. One-man operation here. And that is 42 feet. So my bottom deck is 42 foot. All right, now I'm gonna go down the bottom deck of the trailer and I'm gonna find the highest point of the trailer to figure out our inside height. All right, it's starting to feather down now, so I'm looking at a 43-inch high point. All right, our final step here is going to be measuring the width of the frame here on this step. Some of them are going to come back, they'll have an angle here. We need that whole width there for our drop flaps to come around. So this one is going to be 6 1/4. So we got 6 1/4 from here to here, and that's going to determine our drop flaps. All right, that's going to wrap up our drop deck trailer measurement guide. If you guys have any questions, concerns, you can call us or visit our website, tarpstop.com. Come and see us.